This might just be the most natural way to support your health every day. Meet Nature Blast. Sourced from nature's finest, every scoop of Nature Blast could bring you closer to better well-being. Our ingredients may come from around the world, but they're always chosen with care, compassion, and responsibility. We work with scientists and researchers to ensure that every batch is tested and backed by evidence, not hype. Nature Blast mixes easily, so it might be gentler to take, especially for those with trouble swallowing. We know swallowing tablets can be tough, so our powder could be a smoother, safer way to get what your body needs. We take our responsibility seriously. From sustainable packaging to reducing our carbon footprint, every scoop matters. We believe in being transparent, and it shows in every review, every story, and every happy glass raised. No mystery blends, no artificial junk, just real ingredients that could help support energy, immunity, and more. Because better health doesn't need to be complicated, it might just start with one simple scoop a day. From community impact to clean production, we're building something bigger than just a supplement brand. Nature Blast might not be the only supplement out there, but it could be the one that cares most. Start your journey at naturesblaststore.com.